Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates, then Language and Input, your current keyboard, and finally Themes. Over here you need to select Gallery or Yours and click on one of the themes, like for example that one. Then when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!